In this campus, we teach you how to create content that persuades, how to make amazing video content that convince people that the companies you will sign as clients are the best in the world. That is the skill that you are going to learn. I will also show you how to approach companies. You will let these companies know, hi, I can make 10 times better content. Here is one example, and there is so much more I can do. And of course, to retain them as clients, you'll need to consistently produce high quality content. You'll update their videos, websites, thumbnails, and more. You'll do all the work for them, improving their content significantly. As long as you truly enhance their content and they notice improvements in their business and quality of their content, you'll be successful. When they see their videos go viral, attracting clicks, driving traffic to their website, and leading to purchases of their product or service, they'll recognize the value of your work. That's when they'll continue to pay you forever. Suddenly, you'll be earning over 7K plus per month. Now you just need to repeat that process over and over again until you're doing it for 10 different companies. Soon you'll realize your time is worth more than 7K per month, and businesses will be paying you 30K per month. It all comes down to what you can persuade them to pay you and proving that it's worth it in the end. That's the business model. And the reason we focus on AI in this campus is that we use a lot of AI tools, which lets us create content much faster than other creators. For example, while it might take someone a full day to make one image or a week to produce a video, you will be able to do it in less than 24 hours. This speed and high quality of work will allow you to handle 10 times more clients. So, while another content creator might be able to earn 7K a month because they can manage only one client, you could be making 70K a month because you can take on 10 clients. And that is why we really emphasize AI. It enables you to produce better work at higher speeds.